Is it time to go all in on altcoins, guys? Altcoins have been absolutely destroyed against Bitcoin for a while now, and especially in the last 4 months, because crypto has been so good in 2023, altcoins have kind of slowly moved up a little bit, but still, Bitcoin dominance continues to climb higher. Bitcoin has the ETFs creating all this excitement and hoopla, and people forgot about the OG altcoins, the legit altcoins, and even the new altcoins that are bursting on the scenes. Now, that's outside of meme coins. Meme coins have been exploding, but what about the altcoins, like the legitimate altcoin projects? Are they going to move? Well, I think now could be a decent time to actually start going all in and making that shift and really increasing your risk appetite. Just my opinion here. And again, everybody's philosophy is different. For those out there who just buy Bitcoin, I get it. I'm well diversified. I buy a little bit of Bitcoin every single day, but I think I'm going to start ramping up my risk appetite and chasing some of the best altcoins out there. These upcoming weeks are going to be super, super crucial for us with the Ethereum ETF deadline this week. We'll see what happens. Regardless, I don't think we're going to get into the Ethereum ETF right now, but I don't think we need it right now. I think we just need to know that it's on the horizon, and then we have this window of time, I think, from now until the fall to really accumulate our best projects. Because I think the Ethereum ETF is going to open the floodgates for all the altcoins, because no matter what, even though there are some great layer one projects out there, for instance, Solana in the last 30 days has just obliterated every other layer one in transactions. Solana seemingly is growing faster than anything else. And in saying that, Ethereum still has the total value lock number that is just massive in the tens of billions of dollars. Nothing's even close. So in saying that, there's room for other blockchains to flourish here outside of Ethereum. I think Solana's one. Sui and Aptos are super interesting. You've got a bunch of layer twos and Arbitrum and Polygon and Optimism. You've got a lot of options. Then you got the RWA space with Ondo Finance. I mean, you can go in a lot of different directions with this. And I just think altcoins are going to have their day. And we're going to look up one day and say, man, maybe I should have started going risk on a little bit a while back, because sometimes it's just too late. Now, I want to take you inside a couple tweets from one of my favorite analysts, Michael Van de Pope, who on X has been claiming that he also is going heavy into altcoins. He says here, it's very likely that altcoins are continuing their upwards grind from here and that we've finished the correction. Slow upwards grind, slowly but surely accelerating towards a vertical move in Q3, Q4. Next resistance point of altcoins could be up here at 1.25 trillion. I agree. I mean, altcoins have come up, in March, have slowed back down. But I think, as you guys can see here, we're getting ready for a breakout move with altcoins. And I think there's going to be phenomenal opportunities. You see Solana here sitting at 177. I've been accumulating a lot of Sol. Dogecoin is going to have its day. I think Cardano's finally going to wake up. SHIB's going to wake up, especially with Ethereum going crazy. We've got Chainlink moving up 24% in the last week on some really big news. Polkadot's been lagging for a while. Polygon, same thing. You've got HBAR looking decent. Pepe has been really strong. Aptos is one of those new ones I really like. I like Render. Kronos, been stuck at 12 cents, been holding the floor here. I think Kronos is going to pop in this cycle. Just so many opportunities. Caspa, one of my favorites here. Been hanging out there at 12 cents for a really long time. Sui here, making a nice little headway here, up 11+% in the last week. I think the bottom's in there. We could have got Sui here within the last week, guys. Down here at frickin' 90 cents. Great reversal here on Sui. So slowly but surely, I think we're making this move. Okay, it's not going to happen overnight, but it will happen quicker than you think. Okay. Michael Van de Pope says, Bitcoin's likely continuing to move in this range. I'm not expecting massive volatility to come. I'd rather expect consolidation and slow upwards movement towards the all-time high. The thesis remains the same. Altcoins to outperform during this time in between while Bitcoin slowly moves up. The Ethereum ETF, it's expected to be denied. Interest rate cuts, it's expected that will come late in 2024. The XRP lawsuit, why are altcoins suffering and the current state of the markets? He gets into it in this conversation. I did listen to it. Basically, he's bullish on Q3, Q4. He says here, investing into altcoins is the best thing to do. It might sound weird, but it's the best thing to do currently. They have lost 70% in their value against Bitcoin in the past 3 months. Updates are getting delayed, and the sentiment is super bullish. Some altcoins are in a 3-year bear market still, right? Polkadot, Polygon. What's happening and why is it the best thing to do? Kronos is another one. In this long thread, I'll be discussing my views, blah, blah, blah. First off, the altcoin cycle in different phases haven't really changed. First, Bitcoin needs to move, then Ethereum needs to move, and then the large caps, mid caps, and small caps will follow suit. We're still waiting for that Ethereum move. Bitcoin has moved. Technically, that didn't change, and that wasn't different during this cycle either. During October 2023 through January 2024, the markets have been seeing a substantial uptick with the Bitcoin ETFs, accelerating everything. Ethereum has been suffering. The ETF isn't looking very positive, at least right now, but the Ethereum ETF approval could be coming later this year. XRP lawsuit is going to be ending really soon, as the final deadline for feedback has been provided and conclusions need to be drawn from this, and we'll have a final sentence. Basically, he's saying things are lining up for the end of this year to where Ethereum's have the necessary catalyst they need to move, okay? But it's all about how you want to construct your portfolio. Everybody's different, right? I myself, 70% Bitcoin and top altcoins, and then I take a lot of risk with 30% of my portfolio. But I am going all in right now on adding to my big bags, adding to my big positions, and I feel like it is a perfect time when no one's really talking about it yet, but we can see the writing on the wall. We can see that the future looks bright. We have a lot of potential positive catalysts coming down the line. This is where you want to make your bread, in my opinion. We'll see if I'm right. Let me know if you think I am down below. And as always, guys, check out Margex, one of the largest leverage trading platforms. You can use my link, sign up now. You can copy trade some of the best traders in the game. You're going to get a 20% sign-on bonus. Join 500,000 registered users, over 180,000 daily trades on the platform, 0 client funds lost, 153 countries served. There's no KYC with Margex either. Trade on leverage using Margex if you're interested in doing so. My link is down below.